Okay, example 2, evaluate ax bracket negative a parentheses a minus x and bracket. So here a is being multiplied by x, so I'm going to use blue for a, I'm going to use purple for x. A and x are being multiplied together. What, Parker? Okay, a and x are being multiplied together, so the parentheses are shown to be multiplied together. No operation between the parentheses implies multiplication. Then I got a bracket, which I'm going to change to a brace. Then I've got minus, which is just part of the expression, and then a, which I'm using blue to represent a. And then I'm going to use a bracket for my parentheses, and I've got blue to represent a minus sign is part of the expression, a purple to represent x, an end bracket, and an end brace to represent the entire structure of the problem as we began. All right? Again, create the proper structure. This a is being subtracted by x. This parentheses being subtracted by that parentheses. This a is being multiplied by that because a parentheses is multiplication. The minus sign in front of the a is going to change the sign of that object. Okay, every a becomes negative 2. And every x becomes negative 6. So if I'm following the order of operations to the letter, okay, and I'm not trying to break any rules or go out of order or anything like that, the first thing I would tackle would be this guy here. And I've got negative 2 minus minus 6. So again, it's a parentheses followed by a plus or minus symbol, which means it's either addition or subtraction. Minus minus becomes plus plus. So inside this bracket here, which I can change to a parentheses, I've got negative 2 plus 6, which equals what? 4. Period 4. All right? Opposite sign subtract, 6 is bigger, so it's positive. Minus minus 2 means 2. All that's inside the braces, which I'm going to change into brackets. And all that's being multiplied by negative 2 and negative 6. Next, still inside the brackets have more than one number, so evaluate that. 2 times 4 is 8, which is still being multiplied by negative 6 and negative 2. And finally, now it's just a multiplication problem. All three things being multiplied. 2 times 6 is 12, times 8 is 96. 2 negatives make a positive. And when you get to the multiplication step, same sign positive, different signs negative. With multiple numbers, even number of negatives positive, odd number of negatives is negative. So positive 96 would be the answer to that one.